Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 18th of December with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar. Again, this range, this consolidation pattern that we've seen in recent weeks has kicked in. Any support coming in around 13 figure, really. 1265 was the low of late November. Kicked in again on Friday. And we've subsequently rallied back off 13 big figure again. So there's basically a support band, 1265 to 13 figure. Resistance though, time and time again, if I zoom in, time and time again, we've seen the rallies failing at 114 figure. In the last few weeks, any time it gets towards 114 figure, it intraday closes back down again. So that is a resistance we need to look out for. You're not a million miles off 114 figure now. So you need to close, I think, above 1455, which would be a multi-week high. I suppose a close above 114 figure does improve, but I think for traction you'd want it above 1450 really. But until that happens, I think you're fairly much neutral really. I mean, I've been sort of suggesting in the morning report that there is still a negative sort of bias to these momentum indicators. Although there's no real traction behind them, there's a very marginal negative bias on a medium-term basis. RSI ticking back above 50 though this morning with this today's move. MACD lines edging a little bit higher, but stochastics are sort of negative, well, sort of around 40, I suppose is acceptable, but just slight negative bias. Really, I mean, you're sort of searching for direction. I think what you're going to do is you're going to get the big move on the FOMC tomorrow. That really is going to be the driver of euro dollar, I think, near term, and possibly even medium term as well. So we need to be aware that FOMC is going to be a big volatility factor, I think, on euro dollar tomorrow. Today we've, as I said, broken above initial resistance 1360, so that opens 14 figure again, leaving a little support around sort of 1330 area, but generally speaking I think we're just playing out as noise within the range until the Fed happens tomorrow. So I wish you good luck in your trading and I'll speak to you later.